guys, it's Eleanor here, back with another unboxing. And today I went to my non-local Target, because I went to the one that's farthest away from me, because we were in the area anyways. And I found some new Bakugan. And it is Bakugan Mechtanium Surge Baku Boxes. I found two of them. You did not see that. This blue one that comes with an Aquas Bakugan. And this green one that comes with a mutant elfin, a darkest one. I already have a Pyrus one, so hopefully the blue one doesn't come with it. And if it does, then a different attribute. Or I already know it's going to be Aquas, so I'm going to open them both in one video. So I'm actually going to angle the camera down and take one out of the shot and just unbox this one first. So I found my legendary scissors of awesomeness. You know, lucky me. And so, got it. Here, let me angle it this way. Got that off. Plastic wrap is off. Now, do I have to cut this, or is it just... Okay, I have to cut it. So, hey guys, I just wanted to also tell you if you like my new set. There's not really a new set, it's just that it's sideways now instead of normal. Almost got it. Okay, and so I finally got it. So let's open this up. It's my first Baku Box since the first season. Okay, it's a darkest mutant elfin. I already knew that. And then there's this clippy tie thingy. And it goes to Rebel. Oh yeah. I heard that the darkest were actually supposed to be stronger. And it's supposed to jump from like 850 to 900 or 900 to 1000, something like that. And it won't come out. Oh, I was trying to shove it through, but you just had to unflap it. Okay, so let's see how many G's it is. So let's open it up. Yeah. And so, and flip up its head so you can see better. Okay, its lowest is 700. Then it goes to 750, then 800, then 850, then to 900, and then finally to 1,000. That is worth using. I'm probably maybe going to use this. And you did not see that again. So, yeah, it's pretty good. You know, actually really good, because it's not a super assault. Or it is a super assault, but you know, you don't have to evolve it. So let's take this thing out, if I can. Okay, and so here's pretty much the Baku Box. I guess Bakugan are supposed to pop in there, or sit inside of it. It's not like the older one, where it just can just float around. There are some spaces, but just don't shake it. So, it's green. It looks pretty good. You could actually connect two of them together to make a small stadium, I guess. I think so. And, yeah, that's pretty cool. So now let's get the second one, which is right here. And open it up. Ouch. Okay. Ouch. Whoa, sorry. Almost fell out of the package. So let's open it up. Okay, it looks like it's another... Oh! Oh, it's not. It's a I think it's a Meta Dragonoid. An Aquas. Got my eye on you. I think it's an Aquas Meta Dragonoid. That is quite surprising. I think I'm the first person to actually get an Aquas Meta Dragonoid on camera. Get that part, so I don't have to do that later. And so here is Aquas Meta Dragonoid. Its feet is die-cast metal, and these sides that you see right here are die-cast metal, and everything else is painted plastic, I think. Is his horn die-cast? No, his horns are plastic. So his feet is metal, the screws are metal, and these side thingies are metal. I wish the horn, at least this one horn was metal, but you know, it's pretty good anyways. And so let's open it up. And that is awesome. It opens up like this, like a sleeve. And then you can actually pop it up. His head will stay like this though. And so pull out all of its manual parts. I think it looks better like this. I don't know if this is Meta Dragonoid or not. I think it is. Might be. But I think it has a different body build than Meta Dragonoid does. And is this a manual part? Okay, yeah, it is. And the others, and there's a tail. And its G's is 850. So you can kind of see that there. Yeah, definitely. So 850. That's pretty cool, you know? That's awesome. And so to close it up, one second guys, ouch. Close it up, gotta put in its feet, put in all of its manual parts and stuff. This pops in and out, so then you do that, then you fold down its wings, I think. Then what you do is it's like this part neck elongates, and you just push that in, and then do this. That's 1 second. Okay, sorry guys, my camera shut off. And so this is what you do. You actually are supposed to put in his head first and do all of this. Then that's when you fold in the tail. And then there you got it. Done. That's what you do first. So make sure to... What the... Well, that's kind of weird. You see the giant thing right there. It's going to stop the rolling by a lot. And so, that's pretty much it for this. And so, sorry guys, my camera shut off. And so, yeah, this is Illick. And I'll definitely do unboxings of Bakugan, Mechtanium, Surge. And so, yeah, this has been Illick, and goodbye.